Hey man, I got a question. Yeah, I'm good. My neighbor didn't know the answer, and he's a sheriff. Um, is lane filtering actually allowed? I know lane splitting is not allowed, but will I get a ticket for lane filtering? Okay. Because I felt like if nobody's moving, I don't have a risk of like getting hit into. But I know a lot of people get angry. I've asked like four cops, and nobody gave me a straightforward answer.
So no. Yeah. So 316.209 is the statute.
Lane filtering is not legal. Cool. I just don't want to get a ticket for something stupid. All right, brother. You enjoy. Stay safe. Oh no. Alright, well you guys heard it. I fucking stalled, that's embarrassing. But yeah, lane filtering is not legal.